I'm Siddhan Jain and my topic is multimedia. The definition of multimedia is multimedia refers to the computer-assisted integration of text, drawing, still and moving image, graphics, audio, animation and any other media in which any type of information can be expressed, stored, communicated and proceed digitally. Multimedia is a representation of information in an attractive and interactive manner with the use of a combination of text, audio, video, graphics and image. In other words, we can say that multimedia is a computerized method of presenting information combining textual data, audio, visual, graphics and animation. Time always takes separate dimension in multimedia representation. Based on time dimension in the representation space, media can be time independent, text, graphics, image, newspaper, time dependent, audio, video, animation, video sequence of frames, still image presented to the user. Time dependent appropriating media is not contiguous. Multimedia elements are composed into a project using authoring tools. Multimedia authoring tools are those programs that provided the capability for creating a complete media presentation while linking together objects such as paragraph of text and illustration and audio with appropriate interactive user. There are some authoring tools. Name the authoring tool: Macromedia Flash, Macromedia Director, Authorware. The hardware and the software that govern the limits of what can happen are multimedia platform on environment. Multimedia is interactive when the end user is allowed to control what and when the elements are delivered. Interactive media is hypermedia when the end user is provided with the structure of linked element through which he/she can navigate. Multimedia system. Multimedia system is characterized by a computer-controlled integrated production, manipulation, storage and communication of independent information, which is encoded at least through a contiguous and a discrete medium. Data streams. Data stream is any sequence of individual packets transmitted in a time-dependent fashion. Packets can carry information of either contiguous or discrete media. Transmission mode. Transmitter mode. Packets can reach receiver as fast as possible. Suited for discrete media. Additional time constraints must be imposed for contiguous media. Streaming media. Popular approach to contiguous media over the internet. Playback at user computer is done while the media is downloading. You can find streaming in internet radio station, distance learning, cricket level, movie trailers. Here is the structure of streaming media. Camera, streaming media encoding software, streaming media saver, internet and other devices. Multimedia application. Multimedia plays major role in following areas: instruction, business में advertisement, training material, presentation, entertainment, interactive games. Multimedia application, enabling technology, accessibility to web-based material, teaching, learning, disabled children and adults. Fine arts and humanities, museum tours, art exhibition, presentation of literature. Multimedia in medicine, multimedia in training, multimedia applications. So thank you. Here is my topic is completed.